So we're in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're doing a meetup just with some friends, some fans, some family to chop it up. We're gonna just do a fun meetup here in downtown Atlanta.
Conversation with the future me. He said, "Die to your ego," he was shooting me. Down, conversation felt so unusually profound. He said, "No man cries at his own eulogy." Oh, wow.
So we're in downtown Atlanta. I'm riding the bird, and yesterday was more eventful because we went about 24 hours with no sleep. I knocked out 5 interviews, but unfortunately Dalton wasn't here to shoot the vlog, so we're gonna do some fun stuff here in downtown Atlanta. We're just doing a little fan meetup, chopping it up with some friends, family from the area, and enjoying downtown Atlanta, man. We're right by Centennial Park with the big Ferris wheel behind it. Yeah, just gonna connect with some people. I actually shot my Cold Flow music video right in front of this big Ferris wheel with What Up RG. So it's funny that we're here now. But yeah, I always love coming to Atlanta, always a good vibe, always really good people. But yeah, yesterday was crazy. We got off the plane, and between that and track stars interviews, my interviews, and all the other stuff, it was non-stop, about 24 hours straight.
For me to spend so much of my time stressing, and the information that I needed I already had. Why was I already mad? Cause I was never replying that. So he hit me with the facts though. I was cooking, but afraid to release what they asked for. I was shooken, it was like my soul was kidnapped all up in that. Mine was tooken, and the point that he was making, it was my time to book it. I know rookie, I know hooky, I know play. I've been looking, but they keep looking away. I've been climbing, I've been grinding, I ain't got no time to play. When you're in tune with the future, it don't matter what the time of day is. And if they give it to you, all things be delivered to you, given to you. Heavenly realms available still and living through you. I've been living with the fact that these ideas are not abstract. When you got vision, you get laughed at, but it's okay, we on a fast track like growth's been slow, but I still ended up where I wanna go, man, I did it. Yeah, I've been broke, felt so.
Alright, so we just finished up here in Atlanta, had a great time hanging out with some familiar faces, made some new friends. That's the dope part about doing these meetups, man, is you can just build relationships and hang out with people, man, and so it's super fun. One of my favorite cities to come to. It's starting to cool down, so it's not as hot as it was earlier, and I can't wait to come back.
So when I talk to the future me, I listen. Yeah, God came down and gave me all the facts.